Hello everyone, my name is Helan. So I completed my CIBOP in Imarticus in 2022, and then I'm currently working in Societe as an analyst. I was born and brought up in Chennai, so I do live with my family. So immediately after I did my college, BCom in Stella Maris College, and then I completed my course in 2020. And immediately after completing my college, I joined in a IT company which is voice process, and I dropped my papers within 4 months. And after that, I came to know about Imarticus CIBOP, and then I immediately joined in CIBOP course. After completing my BCom, there were skill that required for any corporate company that was looking for a good skill. So I wanted to build my skill in an investment banking sector, because when I came to know about this, it was quite interesting and booming as well. So immediately when I came to know about Imarticus, they were very user friendly, like they were very friendly, and I immediately came to this branch which is located in Chennai. So immediately when I came here, they were all so friendly, and they explained me about this course and what is the vision and what is the plan of this course completely. The faculty member explained me clearly, and after that I was convinced, and my parents as well, they were also convinced with this. My parents they never stop me for anything that I do, and also you have an EMI option that you can opt for. So faculty member will help you in opting for an EMI that can be taken immediately, and once eventually when you complete your course, it will be very easy for you to to pay your EMI. The moment I joined Imarticus, the first class was taken by Mananda sir. So he was very friendly, and I have never seen a person like Manandar and Ajit sir. The faculty members are so good to you, and they give lot of inputs for your life that you can take a long way. So every faculty member here were doing great, and yeah, I've got a lot of understanding, and my skills grown huge way, where I'm actually shining where I am today. So they help me in every other way where I can be a best person that I am today. I've already recommended this course to many of my friends, and they are currently doing this Imarticus course, and they have all been recognized, and they are all placed in a very good company, and I'll definitely going forward will also recommend this Imarticus course. Definitely go for it.